let's turn our attention to Nepal. Mr. Pokhrel, you spoke so eloquently a month ago at the high-level event on anticipatory action. Located in the central Himalayan range, Nepal is one of the most disaster-prone countries in the world due to its topography and climate. Earthquakes, landslides, floods, and fire are major causes of disasters and damage. In Nepal, you've built a data ecosystem for disasters risks and that connects people and data from many different sources to improve crisis prevention and response. Why is fostering data ecosystem approaches important, and how did you go about it?
Thank you, Dirk. I'm really honored to be invited to today's launch of this complex risk analytics fund. Investments on creating data ecosystems to understand the drivers of disaster risk from natural hazards for a country that's high with risks like Nepal is very important. High resolution, disaggregated data is key to understand past events. It provides the foresight to anticipate disasters better. It also helps us make effective decisions for targeted response to reach the vulnerable and the marginalized communities. As envisioned by the Nepal Disaster Reduction and Management Act that came out in 2017, we at NDRRMA, our authority, have developed an open source geospatial platform. We call it DIBAK Portal. DIBAK is a word in Nepali, that's disasters, that hosts data sets on risks, hazard, exposure, and vulnerability, along with impacts that can be visualized in real time. Soon, this portal will evolve into a decision-making tool and produce impact-based forecasting based upon risk information building upon local, national, and international systems. This portal includes data sets for earthquake and landslide risk from various sources, such as from the Durham University, UK, flood hazards map from the Department of Irrigation with support from the ADB and the World Bank, data on weather and floods from the Hydromet Department, landslide and seismic hazards from Department of Mines and Geology, the NASA's MODIS imageries on forest fires, and many more. What we've done is inherited a large set of disaggregated data for nearly 1 million reconstructed houses and other infrastructures damaged by the 2015 earthquakes. We work together with other departments and ministries. Building on this success, we plan to establish a risk analytics cell within the NDRRMA that provides analytical services to other ministries, local governments, including for response to district emergency operations centers. There are many new possibilities, such as for the upcoming work on loss and damage, anticipatory action, forecast-based action, but we are yet to reach our full potential. So the idea for us is to overcome silos, build diverse ecosystems, instill co-ownership, design incentives such as recognition, and invest in data analytics, all for better support to people and planet. Lastly, I want to mention that we still need of high-resolution digital elevation models to assess disaster risks better, which might be worsened due to climate change. As we are heading towards COP26, our effort is to anticipate crisis in advance, and hopefully we have finance through such portfolios and platforms such as this to adapt and prepare better, all informed by a government-owned data ecosystems, which are proudly not only piloting in Nepal, but implementing in Nepal. So thank you so much, and I'll pass it back to you, Dirk. Over to you.